said it only has 4 miles on it. It's
So
brand
guys, we're buying car, and that's the car.
new. The white one.
It's so noisy
Zoom in,
in
zoom
here.
in, zoom in, zoom in. Amazing. Look at that baby. There's my new baby.
Hey guys, so we are at the dealer right now because we're looking for cars, and yeah, we already looked for the cars.
Yeah.
Ikaw pa yung magsabi.
And then, what should I say? I'm getting rid of the BMW.
Aww.
All the years we've been together.
Yeah. Yay! Owner! Dame! You're gonna be the owner! Dame, Dame, Dame! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo!
Look at that. Amazing. Look at this. See this? See all this? Amazing.
Dame! Don't show everything though.
Okay, alright.
We're at the Honda dealer to the person that doesn't want to drive Honda before.
And now look at this. Look. Oh my god.
And he's buying a Honda.
A fucking Honda.
Honda man.
I'm gonna change my name to Honda Man.
Honda
It used to be
Man.
Beamer Man.
Aww.
Now it's Honda Man. Oh shit.
Honda it is.
Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so this is my final moments. One of my final moments with Betty the Beamer. My BMW that I've been with for 5 years, almost 6 years.
Aww.
Almost 6 years, holy shit. And this is it.
You're trading that in.
Yeah. Oh shit. I didn't realize how dirty it was.
Okay. No tour first.
Alright, let's go.
Go.
Goodbye. I'm gonna miss the smell. So, with this car, it's a push to start.
Maybe tomorrow na yan. Bye.
Alright guys, so I just got home from the dealer and this is the car that I bought. It is a 2021 Honda Hatch Sport. So I didn't get the base model, I went for the sports model. We have a 2 spoiler, one here, one up there, as well as the shark fin antenna up there. And we also have these dual exhaust that are in the middle. And of course we have these fake vents right there, but they still look kind of nice. I like the blacked out wheels. That's really nice right there. This I'm probably gonna make it black so that it'll match the car. And I got my headlights right there. But yeah, it's a nice car. So little Jimmy grabs your keys while you're driving and decides to chuck him out the window.